I'd like to acknowledge the Wiradjuri people whose land this meeting is being held at today. I would also like to show my respect to both elders past and present. Thank you.
Thank you, Sky, for that welcome to country. With us this afternoon are the Minister for Health and Minister for Health Research, the Honourable Jillian Skinner, who has invited us all today, the Honourable Melinda Pavey, MLC, Parliamentary Secretary for Regional Health, Dr Mary Foley, the Director General, New South Wales Health, Dr Robin Williams, the Chair of the Western New South Wales Local Health District, and Ms Lynn Weir, Director of Operations, Western New South Wales Local Health. We have apologies from the Honourable Kevin Humphries MP, Minister for Mental Health, Minister for Healthy Lifestyles and Minister for Western New South Wales. As you can imagine, due to the recent floods, he's been detained elsewhere and regrettably he's unable to attend. He has advised, however, that he would really like to hear from anyone with a view about our mental health services in Western New South Wales, how we can improve those, and he asked for ideas, and anyone who would like to share their thoughts to contact his office. We also have an apology from Ron Dunham, the Chief Executive of Western New South Wales Local Health District, who unfortunately couldn't be here tonight and he really wanted to be here. Now, just a few housekeeping matters before we start. We all love those jingles of the telephone, but they tend to disrupt proceedings. So I just remind you, if you could just put them on silent for the duration. I'm usually guilty halfway through a meeting, there it goes. Also, just for those who are not sort of used to the RSL, the toilet facilities are just as you exit at the next corridor just to the right. Now, just so we all know how the proceedings are going to proceed tonight, I just want to give you a brief overview. Dr Robin Williams will open this forum, providing an overview of the activities, successes and plans for the Western New South Wales Local Health District. Following Robin's presentation, Minister Skinner will outline the government's health agenda, its performance against its election promises and its achievements. After that, you, the forum, and the members here will have an opportunity to pose the questions to the Minister and, in fact, anybody in the panel. We will take questions from the floor, but there's also quite a few questions which have been sent to us by email and other means. Depending on how the questions are going, and I imagine with this sort of audience we'll have lots of questions, we'll take a short break, needed to be about 7 o'clock, and then reconvene, or if it looks like there's not many more questions, we might continue until we finish. But we'll play that by ear and how we're going. To conclude this evening's forum, later on, Mr Troy Grant, the local member for Dubbo, will provide the closing remarks. For those who have a question but would like it answered outside this forum, you can lodge your question at the registration desk where you came in, or via email. And this is important, we also have with us the Acting Complaints Manager for our local health district, Mrs Beth Maslim, and she'll have a table set so that if you have specific clinical type questions and typical type problems, we can address them that way. We can assure you that they will be addressed, that the Minister will be alerted, and I'll make sure that that will happen. And nothing that will be done in that question. With us, we also have nearly all the members of the local health board, and it's an opportunity for you to let them hear what you think is needed and how we can progress this. And I'll just mention Daryl McKenda, Julie Marr, Joan Sawicki, Dr John Turth, Ms Pat Derlin and Mr Jeff Mann, and an apology from Scott Griffith. So you have a great opportunity for you to give the message to the people that will listen and hopefully we'll do something about it. So without further ado, I'll ask Robin Williams to open the forum with his presentation on the work and the successes of our local health district.